Hi guys, welcome back to my second lesson on CMake tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add library to our executable. There you go. So let's look at our previous example that we've done in the lesson one. So I have this CMake list with the 3 lines in it, where we just require the version, we define a project, and add executable, right? And this is our main.cc, right? Okay, everything looks simple. So now let's add the library. And let's call our library cat. Well, let's first create the header file. Of course, we need the include guards because as part of my video, I want to show you how to actually write. Here and there, I'm gonna put some stuff in there, how to write proper C++. So that you get some other benefits from watching these videos. So let's say this. We declare a function called hello, and then in source file, we're gonna define it, saying as usual, hello quick bits. And okay, here you go. Let's see, and string, of course. Okay, so now we have cat.h and cc. Okay, all looks good. So now let's say we want to include cat.h. We have to use this ugly, what is it called, semicolons, double colons, because the cat.h is not an now include path. I will show you in the next video how to actually fix that in CMake. Okay, so now let's say we call hello. Okay. What is this? Okay, let's create a library now. We'll say add to add a library. We just really have to do just say add library. So let's call our library catlib and pass the source file to it. Okay, so what happened here? We just said like, okay, create the cat library and use the catlib as its source. Okay, now actually, do we ever wrote? No, we have to include our cat header here. Here you go. Alright, let's go back to our CMake list. Alright, so we added the library called catlib, catcc, right? So now what we need to do is to link that cat library to our quick bits executable, because otherwise you'll get like undefined symbol error. I mean, I can show you what really happened. Let's generate it again. Ooh, what did I do wrong? Okay, let's just delete everything. I don't know what the hell did I do there. Okay, let's build it. Okay, here you go. You see it says linker command failed. Please execute. Yeah, here you go. It says undefined symbol hello, right? So in order to fix that, we have to link it to our executable. So there's other rule called target link libraries. So what do we do? We say target link libraries, and our target here is a quick bits, and we want to link it catlib to it. There you go. All we have to do is just say what's our executable, right here, and what's our library. That's it. We linked it. If we had more than one library, then we just list other libraries here, right? Okay, so let's build again. Well, now everything works. Let's run it. Well, done. Alright, I hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.